Welcome to Mangaroos Tutoring Services video classes. Time. We are going to learn about the 24-hour clock. Most of you all will be familiar with the 12-hour clock, or as some refer to it as the AM and PM time. So for example, if we were to say 3:20 PM, using the blue for the hour hand and the orange for the minute hand, that would look like this. However, on the 24-hour clock, it is different. We don't say 3:20 PM. We will say 1520 hours. So we will now learn about the 24-hour clock time. So around the 12-hour clock, we are seeing 13, 14, 15, all the way up to 23. So let us learn. At midnight, we know that's 12 AM, then we have 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, all the way up to 11 AM. Then we have 12 PM, 1 PM, 3 PM, 6, 9, 10, 11 PM, and then back to 12 AM. However, on the 24-hour clock, we start at midnight and we call this 0-100 hours, followed by 1 AM, 100 hours, 200 hours, 400 hours, 700 hours, 1100 hours. At 12 midday, we call this 1200 hours. 12 plus 1, 1300 hours. 12 plus 2, 1400 hours. We call this 1600 hours. All the way up to where 11 would be 2300 hours. And back to 12 AM would be 0-100 hours. So let's look at a table. You can pause the video at this time and take down the time corresponding with the 12-hour clock, the corresponding 24-hour time. We will now attempt some questions. (1250 hours), this is a 24-hour time. We will now draw this on the clock. We will now draw this on the 12-hour clock. 1250, we know that this would have to be PM, because from 0-100 to 1159 it's the AM time, and from 1200 all the way up to 2359 it's the PM time. So again, you could refer to the table to remember the times. So 1250 would be 12 PM and 50 minutes past 12 PM. So you know, if it's 1250, it means it's almost 1 PM. We'll use the orange again for the minutes. So that's 1250 or 1250 hours. Number 5, 2304 hours. Again, if we look at our table, we will see that 11 PM is the 2300 hours, and 4 minutes would be 04. So 2304 would be 11:04 PM. So 4 would be the minutes. and 11 would be the hours. Again, remember, you can always pause the video and attempt the questions yourself. 400 hours, since this is below 1200 hours, it means it's AM. So that will be the first two digits is the hours and the next two digits is the minutes. So that's 04 meaning 4 AM and no minutes, so it's just 4 AM. Next, 305 hours. So it will be 3 AM and the 05 means 5 minutes after 3 AM. So 5 for the minutes. And 3 for the hours. 3:05 AM in the 12-hour clock. 1400 hours. So again, from 12 we can always count. 12 is 1200, 13 is 1300, 14 is 1400. So 1400 is 2 PM and there's no minutes, so it's just 2 PM. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the activity. We will stop here. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the 24-hour clock time at Mango's Tutoring Services, and feel free to contact us for more of our teaching.